Hiring a marketing agency is a lot like dating. At first, they say all the right things. They promise you the world and they tell you how great you are, and then you're thinking, finally, where have you been all my life? But 6 months later, you're staring at your bank account and wondering if you've been catfished. There are great agencies out there, but there are also red flags that you need to watch out for. Here are 7 red flags that cleaning and pressure washing companies run into the most. Number 1, they promise instant results. If somebody says that you're going to be number 1 on Google tomorrow, they are lying. Marketing takes time. Number 2, they keep everything a secret. You should have logins to your website, your ads, your analytics. It is your business and you own the keys. Number 3, they talk in buzzwords. If your report sounds like a TED Talk instead of real numbers, calls booked, jobs scheduled, revenue made, this is a huge red flag. Number 4, they nickel and dime you. A fee here, a fee there, and suddenly you're paying a car payment just to exist online. Number 5, they push things you don't need. You don't need a $15,000 TikTok influencer campaign. You need leads that turn into jobs. Number 6, they don't get your industry. If they've never worked with cleaning companies before, they're guessing, and you shouldn't pay for guesswork. And number 7, they ghost you. If you're chasing your agency just to get a response, it is time to run. A good agency should feel like a partner, not a bad date. They'll be transparent, they'll be realistic, they'll be invested in helping your cleaning company grow. If you've seen some of these red flags, it may be time to rethink who you're trusting with your marketing. At 5 Door Media, we work only with cleaning companies. We know your industry and we know what works. If you're ready to partner with somebody who's honest and invested in your growth, let's talk.